Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have another doll unboxing for you. She is Lila Yamamoto. She's from series 4. Her focus is visual arts, as you can see in here. We have the characters at the bottom. They go all the way to here. On the back we have all the characters of this series, and well, we have the top, bottom, and the side. I will bring her out of the box and I will be right back. Okay, my friends, I am back and I will remove a little bit of these things so I can show you better. First of all, we have, as always, our comb. This one is kind of a purplish pinkish color, as you can see in here. And the only thing I noticed is that the stand, this part, are the same color, this purplish tone, but this part of the stand is a different color. I don't know if it's just because they wanted to combine different colors on the same stand, but I don't know, I find it just a little bit different than the usual, because you normally get all these pieces of the same color. I don't have any issue with the difference in the colors, it's just that it's different, which I don't mind because, I mean, they match very well. So I will remove these two thingies. So I will show you something a little bit funny that I got with this doll that I did not know. She comes with an extra pair of legs because these legs are more like flat. They are not like if they are having heels, which I think most of these dolls have the pointy feet, so they can wear all the high heels. So this one has a more flat feet, so she can wear these pretty shoes. So I don't know, this was a funny thingy to include. So in the future, whenever I change her outfit, I will be uploading pictures to my Instagram, Cory Style, to show you how she looks with the other pair of legs. Okay, so moving on to her second outfit. She comes with these amazing shoes. These are like Japanese shoes. I don't know the proper name, but I imagine these are the type of shoes they wear with the kimonos and yukatas. I am amazed with these. They have a lot of detail in here with the painting. This is the bottom, and these are amazing. The upper part of these shoes is made out of fabric with this ribbon in here, and this tiny part is made with plastic with these flowers in here. I feel they are like sakura flowers. And this second outfit is super cute. I will keep it in these plastic mannequins, but they are so pretty. They still have the theme of the flowers, as you can see in there. You can open it and close it on the back, which also has some details. And the part that I really like was this kind of skirt. In the back you have this big ribbon, okay, and the front, oh no, I think this is the back. I feel this is the back, maybe this is the front. I will see whenever I change her outfit. But look at this, she has all of these sakura plastic flowers going on in here. This is so pretty, so cute, and I'm amazed with all the detail. She has this extra fabric at the top, and underneath you have this other tiny fabric in here. So yeah, I guess this is the back part, because in here is where we have the velcro going on, but I mean, you can wear it however you want on your dolls. So yeah, this skirt is very pretty. So first of all, let's start with her shoes, because they are so pretty. Look at these. They have these, like, I don't know how you can call these thingies, but they look so cool. She has some white socks, and look at this. You need to see all of the details on the shoes. Can you see that? It has like some flowers, a happy face, a heart, I feel this is the kanji of ai, which means love in Japanese. And here it says niji, which means rainbow in Japanese too. I fell in love with these shoes because they have a lot of detail. You have this back part in here. I don't know if you can move it. I think it's fixed in there. Yeah, I think... Oh no, we can move it. Can you see in here? I can move this part. And they have this big platform in here. She comes with gloves. Let me show it to you. Gloves and purple nail polish in both hands. Up there. She has a skirt with pretty details in here, like a zipper. There is a kanji in here. I don't know what this one means. The fabric is kind of plasticky but shiny. She has some details at the bottom. You can remove it from the back, as you can see, same as the shirt. And look at this pretty detail on the fabric. I'm amazed with this doll. On the front she also has this kind of keychain. I imagine these are flowers. They look so pretty. She has this tiny belt on her skirt. The sleeves also have details on the sides, as you can see in here. She only has this shirt. It's just one piece. And she has the Rainbow High logo right here. She comes with super pretty earrings. They combine with these sakura flowers over here. And another thing that I love from this doll is her makeup. She comes with some stars and a tiny heart next to her eyes. She has the band-aid or band-aid, probably band-aid on her nose, purple and bluish makeup, and well, the lips are a pretty reddish color. So this is so cute. Her eyes are kind of baby blue with a little bit of purple on them. And her hair is tied up in these two buns, which I found very cute. For the time being, I will leave her like this. I like her fangs and the hairdo she has over here. She has some ribbon in here to keep the hairstyle in place. The back part is a little bit of a mess right now because it's squished to the top, so it looks kind of funny, but it doesn't look bad. I will leave it like this for a while. She has some product on the bangs, which you can remove with some water and combing it, and the back part does not have any product, but it's on these two buns. Okay, my friends, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel because that will motivate me a lot to make more videos for this channel. Okay, my friends, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!